The Chery Omoda E5 is a fully electric SUV from Chery and it's coming. Bookings are open and we have an early bird promotion specially for you. The Chery Omoda E5 is a front-wheel drive SUV. It's fully electric and it's very powerful. 201 horsepower, 340 Newton meters of torque and 430 kilometers of range by WLTP. Now is the best time to buy an EV because of the government incentive to have zero taxes until in 2025. So the cars are affordable. Also, the cost is lower per kilometer because the electricity costs less than conventional fuels. There's also a lower cost of maintenance because there are just less moving parts. And of course, the benefit of an EV is powerful acceleration and it is totally silent. The expected price for this Omoda E5 is around 150,000, but don't take my word for it. Anyway, bookings are open and here's the offer. For a very limited number of units, as long as stocks are available, we will give you door-to-door delivery if the car is sold in Klang Valley. Free tinting for sure, free dash cam and a lucky dip. Sure to win prizes, either a 65-inch TV, 55-inch TV or a Samsung Tab. So don't wait. Put your booking now through shop.yscongdriving or send me a WhatsApp 016 335 0609.